In this video, we want to simplify the fraction 3 over the square root of x cubed plus 4 over the square root of x. We're going to first rewrite square root of x cubed as x times the square root of x. And now to get a common denominator, I have to multiply the second fraction by x over x. So that turns into 4x over x times square root of x. Now they have a least common multiple, or least common denominator of x times square root of x, which means I can add the numerators. And I get 4x plus 3 over x times square root of x. Now I want to rationalize the denominator, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by square root of x. So on the top, it's going to be 4x plus 3 times square root of x. And on the bottom, we have x times square root of x times square root of x, which just turns into x squared on the denominator. And then we have 4x plus 3 times square root of x on the numerator. And that's going to be our final answer.